Hi guys, I am Leigh Ramirez here at RV Select, and today we are going to talk about the 2022 Newmar Essex 4551. We have an incredible deal at $565,000 with only 10,000 miles. One of my favorite features on the Newmar product is the comfort steer. The ability to drive at ease while you're going down the road. If you want to loosen your steering, you have the availability to do that. If you want to tighten your steering, you can also do that as well. Also, a favorite feature of mine is the steerable tag axle. Newmar, no matter what size coach that they have, the 40-foot, even the 35-foot have the steerable tag axle. That helps you get in tight spots, make a U-turn. If you need to back in, it makes it at ease for you. Here we have these beautiful theater seating here, extra wide if you have a dog. These are electric. You also have a USB port as well with your light up cup holders and plenty of storage in the middle. You also have a slide drawer in here. One of the most common questions about these coaches is, does this roll out to a bed? Yes, it does. It actually is a queen size bed with the mattress. You also have your smart TV on your televator behind your sofa, so you have a front facing TV. Also, don't forget your driver and your passenger seats are both full recliners for extra seating. We have this beautiful kitchen here with these beautiful countertops, induction cooktop here, dishwasher. About 50% of my customers are half and half. Some use this for storage and would actually prefer the drawers. Others actually use the dishwasher. We have a beautiful pull-out countertop here, the extension here with 3 drawers, plenty of storage. We have your convection oven / microwave. We have your beautiful farm sink here. Beautiful dinette here with your chairs. You also have folding chairs underneath your bed there. If you want to use this as a workspace, you can. Lots of storage above with soft close cabinets. I love the refrigerator, how they put the same woodwork on the front fascia. You also have a water and ice maker in the door. Plenty of storage for your pantry. I love the LED motion sensor lighting here with your drawers, very wide drawers here. Right across is your half bath. I love the lighting on the mirror. It also has plenty of storage behind it. Your half bath is also a macerator toilet. I love the shades, the slide shades that Newmar puts behind their bed. Full king size bed is a sleep number with 2 different remotes for your comfortability. Also, you have phone chargers on each side of the nightstand. Over here, you have plenty of storage with all of your drawers. Beautiful countertops flowing throughout the coach. You have your smart TV with your sound bar, your Bose sound bar. As well, you can control the whole entire coach from your bedroom. More storage above. Plenty of storage underneath the bed. You can store your extra chairs to your dinette. I love this beautiful woodwork throughout the coach with your accent lighting beside the bed. You also have these beautiful mirrors on each side of the bed. I love the beautiful tile floor, double vanity sink with the LED lighting around the mirror. Beautiful shower here with the diamond stitching. With your teak seat, you also have your shower miser as well. Another feature on Newmar is the egress door. No one is trying to climb out a window in a case of an emergency. You also have your macerator on this toilet as well. You have a full-size closet in the rear with your safe with motion sensor lighting. Stackable washer and dryer. If you like this coach or are interested in another coach, reach out and ask for Leigh Ramirez here at RV Select. You can reach me directly, 601-642-4772. Also, if you like this content, feel free to like, share, and subscribe. We'll see you here at RV Select.